Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. I'm going to start today's video off with us coming home from the grocery store. I'm going to make some chili and then just do some random tasks around the house. If you're a first timer on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, KYM. I love to do videos pertaining to home life, so home managing, cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, all of that sort of stuff. If that sounds like your jam, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out. On the weekends, I don't do a lot of deep cleaning because I keep my house up to par throughout the week so that I can spend my weekend hanging out with my family or just doing me. You'll have to let me know below in the comments if you're interested in my weekly routine of things that I do every single day so that I don't have to spend my entire weekend doing some deep cleaning. When I make my chili, my spaghetti, that sort of thing, I do not use ground beef. This is actually ground turkey. Now, I don't know about you, but I love flavor, so we are going to make sure that this is nice and flavorful. The great thing that I like about chili is you can pretty much put any kind of bean or vegetable in there and it's just going to taste really good. It's all about them seasonings.
In my dreams we always fight, 'cause we never worked it out. It just kind of slipped through our hands. And I never really said that you hurt me, no instead. I just try to understand.
If you've never tried making chili with beer before, you should definitely try it.
Had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like giving you the chance to make it up. You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think you wanted me to stay. Everything you did, finally pushed me away. Told everyone
I prefer to clean as I cook, so I'm wiping everything down with the Method all-purpose cleaner.
thought that you could buy my love, but I don't want that at all. You know I don't care about that. It was so exhausting, so I lasted, had to make it stop.
I recently read a quote and it said, "You are beautiful because of the light you carry within you." A few friends and I were talking about this a few days ago, and we were talking about how you could be the most beautiful or fine person on the outside, but if your inside is messed up, that does not make you beautiful at all. Beauty definitely radiates from within, and if you are not being a nice person or just a nasty person and just have a disgruntled demeanor all the time, that definitely turns you into something that's not attractive. Saying all of that to say, we are working through our healing, right? We also need to work on our attitudes. If we look down on people, if we judge people or anything like that, we should really check ourselves. What is it within us that makes us feel insecure and bold enough to judge someone else for how they're rolling and how they're living? Remember, each of us have a different story. Each of us have a different journey, and what is for me is not for you, and what is for you is not for me. Therefore, it's not for me or you to understand what the other person does. So instead of showing judgment, we should definitely show love. You'll have to let me know your thoughts below in the comments. Here's what my chili's looking like: extra cilantro, cheese, and sour cream. It's the next day, so I'll be handling some random tasks around the house. I have a new laptop bag, so I want to situate that and put everything in there that needs to go in there. But before I do that, I realize how dusty my desk is, so I'm going to get that cleaned off with Kim's Magic Concoction. That consists of a main ingredient other than water is vinegar. Vinegar, sponsor your girl. I've only been saying it for like 3 years now.
Final moment before I lose myself. It's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night.
How are you doing? I hope everything is going well in your world. What are you watching? I watched 2 great movies on Netflix. Now I have to put you on pause to figure out what the name is because I never know names of anything. Okay, I'm back. So the first one I watched was Against the Ice, and it was great, okay? The other one that I watched was called Society of the Snow. Now I would definitely recommend both movies. It's about survival. And being that it's 9 degrees outside, it just made me even more cold watching the movies. I do have one book on my list that I told you guys about last time we spoke, but I'm really looking for a good show to binge watch. One of the shows that I recently watched on Netflix is called Fool Me Once, and that was pretty good. The other one I watched was called Keep Breathing. Now, they both had a weird ending that kind of made me go, but for the most part, they were really good. I've recently ordered so many things from Amazon, so I have taken some of those boxes downstairs and my husband will be shredding those later. It's the new year, so what is a new year without new decor? I feel like in your home, there's always something to do. There's always things to change around. And for Kim, she gets bored easily. Okay, yes, I'm talking in third person.
In the sky, did we ever stop and wondered why we let our love shine all through the night? Just you and me, babe, until the morning light. The morning.
In this box with the mirror, they also included gloves and hanging contraptions. I don't know what they're called. Those things right there, the colorful things. And they also included a manual, which I thought was really cool. I really do appreciate all of you being here. I love making these videos. I love showing people things and teaching people things and just conversing with people. So thank you so much for being here.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better.
I really enjoy switching up my decor because I get really bored easily, okay? Especially when it comes to like home stuff. So I'm really just trying to figure out what looks best here.
Need you close, yeah. Na, 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 na. Every day, look away. Na, 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 na.
Do you really want to know what sucks? This sucks right here. Because first of all, I had that mirror covering up these little holes. Because, you know, there was another mirror here at one point, and then I put the black mirror there, and now I don't know that I have any touch-up paint, so I'm gonna have to go buy some. It's so funny because my youngest daughter asked me, was this mirror used, because it was dirty and had smudges on it, but I had to let her know it was probably in a warehouse. So now I'm gonna clean it off, and I'm cleaning it off with vinegar.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me.
I'm trying to figure out a way to fold this blanket and put it behind the mirror because it has like a gangsta lean that I'm not really liking. Anytime that you have something that you're not really liking, it's always good to like upgrade it somehow, some way. And in this case, why not use a blanket? Now I tried a pillow first and that didn't work out too well.
Na, 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 na. Every day, look away.
There's definitely a method behind my madness. I just wanted to tilt that up just a little bit more, but I really do like how that turned out. So now over here, I just want to switch out the pillow covers, and then I'll probably move the tree pillow to where my basket, I don't want to get you dizzy, but to where the basket is. The other thing that I purchased from Amazon was some new pillowcases. I actually purchased them probably about a month ago, so I want to get those switched out.
Yeah, we could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
I really hope that you've been looking in the mirror and saying your affirmations. If you haven't, I'm gonna need for you to hit pause real quick, go to the mirror and say, I am enough. I think a lot of times we think that we are not enough, or we accept what the world says about us, and we don't have to. Always remember whose you are, your talents, your strengths, and everything that you bring to the table. In all of that, if you can say, you know what, I would like a friend like that, continue on your pursuit, because whatever you put out in the world, you're going to attract back.
Look away.
I never thought you would take over my mind, 'cause I've been.
This blanket is extra large. I've been wanting to switch it out, but my husband really likes it, so I'm just going to leave it here and just fold it up really nicely, or not so nicely. At any rate, in the next clip, you're going to see how organized I am. If I can't find a place for something, I'll put it behind something. So these are all the pillows behind my couch. Sometimes when there's a big object and you can put other small objects behind it, tell me that ain't genius. That is a genius way to organize. I'm just saying.
But I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, and nowhere, and nowhere, no. But I'm still here, hope that we will get there.
Okay, this is what I decided to put in there because I felt like the tree was kind of clashing with that blanket, even though everything's going to be eventually changed out anyway. But I'm just going to keep the tree pillow there. And all of these pillows are going back behind the couch.
So let go of the things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared. No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared.
There's all kind of little blemishes on the wall too that I need to get cleaned off. Hopefully they will come off without messing up the paint. So what I think I'm going to end up doing eventually is just going to get a sample paint of the paint that's in here. I'm also going to get one of those things that properly patches a hole, because as you can see, Kim never properly patches a hole. But since the wall is exposed, I'm definitely gonna have to do that. I'm really digging the mirror situation going on here. Initially, I ordered the mirror from TikTok and it was $33. It never came. Don't believe the TikTok shop. It is a hoax. I swear it's a hoax. At any rate, so I just went ahead and ordered that from Amazon. One thing that I was supposed to do this day was clean the carpet, but I was a little tired. For me, I get really, really tired when it's cold outside, and this day it was 9 degrees, okay? Yes, 9 degrees.
Still here, hope that we will get there, together. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, no. But I'm still here, hope that we will get there,
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your footage to admire these beautiful vacuum lines.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat.
Another thing that I hide are remote controls and chargers. Thank you again for being here. I appreciate you so much, and I hope you're enjoying the video.
Keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now. You keep missing out.
I didn't put the vacuum back because I really need to clean this out, you guys. It's a hot mess, first of all. Can't even find the light switch. Here's what we are looking like. Who lives like this? Kim, that's who. And I know exactly where everything is. So now I'm gonna like clean it up a little bit, and I bet you I'll lose something. Realistically, this room should be cleared out, but it's not. And I'm just trying to put everything back in a way that can make you get around if you need to like touch the hot water tank for some reason or whatever the case may be. So yeah, I'm putting all this stuff back in here, just trying to make it look a little bit nicer. But it is a closet, it's behind closed doors, so it really doesn't matter.
Down your walls and let me, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me,
It definitely looks much better. Some of the things have been taken out and placed somewhere else. And here is the trash that I got rid of. Do you remember earlier when I told you it was 9 degrees outside? Look what my husband is doing for me. I am so thankful for him. I thank God every single day for him. If you have a good man out there, you better let him know.
you'll be mine.